Hello, let's go through how to use TRIBEL. What is TRIBEL app? So this app is one of those apps which is trying to be an alternative social media, social network, alternative to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which like Twitter not now, but previously, which were considered more like left-wing kind of apps, and people trying to find something like Parler or TRIBEL where there is more conservative audience. So this is one of the top apps in this niche, and what it makes it smarter. So what is right here? So TRIBEL allows you to send your post to specific audiences and keeps count of every like you earn. This allows TRIBEL to rank the most popular posts and contributors in every category, personalize a feed easily, find trending breaking posts. So you just give likes to this post, and then you kind of earn some specific reputation, and then you can become a top contributor. You need, when creating a new post, you need to select an audience for it. If you decide to declare yourself a contributor to that audience, TRIBEL will keep a track of all the likes you earn and rank you in the star contributors. There is personal post audience, which is just your friends and family. There are star contributors, which are like the most popular contributors in each category. They're like 10% of all contributors. Gold star contributors are ranked in the top 5% of a category, and silver are in top 610. So here, you can just see all of these details. Anyhow, so that's the app. That's some specific things about it. Here's how it looks like. You can just scroll through it. There are all these categories. It looks kind of like Twitter. You can select different categories. So for example, I want to select some category. And then I can see like my favorites, for example. And then this is just like as an example. Then I can just like it, I can comment it, I can see all the comments, I can attach GIFs and photos to it, I can share, I can block or report person. Then I can go to account, I can add as a friend, I can see number of followers and all of that. I can also even message, I can DM without being a friend, or similar as on Twitter. I can see all of the posts, all of the feed. So here I can also just see breaking news in all the categories. So breaking news in this animal category or landscapes. Then I can just see posts from my friends or from people I'm following, and breaking and trending. These are like 4 tabs where I can discover all of the stuff I want. Then I can just post myself. I can select audience, only me, friends. I can select a background, similar as on Facebook. And then I just need to select my post audience. So that's the key feature which makes TRIBEL a bit different. And then I can just select audience. So here I can just do that and select it here. And then I can just tap post. And then my post was added successfully to my profile. So if there is also messaging tab, I can see all of the messages here. I can see messages and I can see requests. Then there is profile. It's my profile. I can add some bio. I can edit profile. Here you can see all of the details which I can add. pretty cool. I can change profile picture, I can create post, I can delete post, I can change the privacy of it. So still I can share in some category like nature or something, but then I can still limit only it to my friends or make it private. Notifications, similar as on Facebook, Twitter, you will see all the recent notifications, and then here in the settings you can see star contributors. To become a star contributor, you must declare yourself a contributor to a category and earn enough likes in the last 90 days to be ranked in the top 10. That's an interesting feature. It's like a forum, and then you can see in that forum all of the details. So yeah, search by all categories, or I can select, for example, let's check who is a star contributor to like activism. So then you can see specific profile. Or I can select who is a star contributor to books. So something like that. And then I see a new notification. Someone is already liking it. Yeah, this app is actually has a critical mass of users. You won't be alone here. There are a lot of users here already. So yeah, definitely interesting app. You can unlock your founding member badge by nominating 3 of your friends who aren't in TRIBEL yet, who you believe have what it takes to become star contributors. So you can invite friends here. So that's that. Find friends, groups. So you can create a new group. Here are account settings. You can deactivate or delete your account from here if you want. There is privacy and security, notification settings, contributor settings, and then you can log out. So that's basically what it works, how it works. Yeah, hope that is helpful. Interesting app, well made, great design, easy to use. So interesting app for sure. Hope this quick preview was helpful.